everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Antonia Davis. If you didn't know or you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to recreate the waves that I did right here in this picture, and I'm going to show you how I achieved them. So if you want to know how I do that, then just keep watching. So first I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair. I split it into two pieces. So I'll just do this side first to show you guys how I do it. And then I will probably fast forward through this side. Once I have this piece over here sectioned off, I'm going to start pulling pieces from the back. So I don't know if this is probably not the correct way to do it, but I'm going to take pieces about this big, clip this together, and this is one piece. So I will start by taking the wand upside down. I will flip it over like so. And I would go in two different directions, so I'll go out and in. So every other piece I'll alternate. So this one I'm going out, and then the other one I will go in. It helps you get more of like a messy wave type of look. Didn't mean to do that. I don't put the ends in. Drop it. And I don't hold it because I don't want it to be a tight wave. I want it to be like a loose wave, and it should look a little like it's just like a loose flow. I'm going to take one more piece. I'm going to split this into two. And the last time we went this way, this time we're going to go inwards. So we're going to go this way. And you're just going to keep doing that. So out, in, out, in. Depending on how big you want them, it can depend on how big of pieces that you take. I find the bigger the piece that you take, the bigger the wave you get. If you do a lot of smaller pieces, you're gonna get more of like a super full wavy effect. I already have a lot of hair, so I'm not really going for the bigger look. And we're gonna just do the same thing to the side. See, it's just super loose. Okay, so when you get to the front of the hair, I always go back. The reason being is because if you go front, I just think it looks weird. So yeah, just go backwards once you reach the front of the hair. Boom. This piece always split into two pieces just because I don't like that big bulky like one wave type of thing in the front. There we go. So now that this side is done, I'm just gonna let it sit and cool before I go through my hands and start tearing the curls apart. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera only because my camera is getting ready to die, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. This side of my hair is already curled. I went ahead and broke it apart with my fingers, but the only thing I do is take my fingers and run through it like so. I like to use dry shampoo as texturizing spray. I don't know if that's weird or not, but I'm just gonna take this and apply it to some places where I want more texture. Play with it a little bit, get the feel of how you like it. Now I'm going to take some gloss and shine spray. You can use whatever shine spray you have, and add a little bit of this to the hair. I like this because I feel like it makes the waves and everything just pop and look a little bit better than if you were to just leave it without any shine spray. You could totally do that if you like. I just always use a shine spray. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a light hold hairspray, and I spray it just a little bit on each side, not too much. Around, spray a little in the back. Okay, you guys, so this completes my final beachy, wavy, wand, whatever you want to call it, type of hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Let me know if you guys want to see more hair tutorials. I do have naturally curly hair. I can let you guys know what products I use for that. If you guys want to see me straighten my hair, whatever, just let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next video.